Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video by your girl Big Bubbly Beauty. Today we're going to be unboxing the Body Shop Advent Calendar. Now this is actually adorable. Like, before we get into it, it's actually like the cutest advent calendar I've seen. Like, this is a display piece. This makes sense as an advent calendar to me because you have the drawers to get the stuff out, but like you have a display piece as well. And it's like a really practical kind of advent calendar because it's a decoration as well as the advent, and you don't ruin the decoration by using the advent. So I quite like it. It's quite cute. So this advent calendar here is $99. So essentially $100 for a, I believe, 25-day advent calendar. But this is like such a cute decorative box. I quite like it. It's just like decor for Christmas. Like, it's so cute. Okay, but let's get into it. I'm just gonna put this over here, a little bit off to the side while we pull out the drawers. Oh, I guess this also flips up too to let you see some of them. Okay, but then you can tuck it back down. So I'm gonna like leave it a little bit untucked just to pick out the stuff. So first things first, we'll just pull out box number one. So this does a bit of what the glossy box advent calendar does, where you kind of have to go searching for stuff. So this will be fun. But box number one, this is an adorable box. This Christmas, we're celebrating the people who selflessly care for others all year round. For the next 24 days, let's join them and share that selfless love with the world. Aww. Okay. What are you? Ooh, a shea butter hand cream. Oh, yes. My hands get so dry in the winter. This is necessary. I can see where this is coming from. Yes, 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 and yes. So amazing, amazing first product. All right, number two, where are you? Okay, so it must be in this bottom drawer. I wonder if each saying is going to be different, or if it's just going to say the 24 days thing. Oh no, it's a different saying. Ooh. Unite your neighbors by coming together to decorate a tree down your road or street. Aw, I like this. There's some intention put into this. That's nice. This is the Body Shop Lip Butter in Strawberry. Ooh, it's gonna smell heavily of fake strawberry, but I don't care. That's amazing. I'm gonna love that as well. It's been a while since I've gotten anything from the Body Shop, so this is quite exciting for me. Number three. So it says, write 5 notes with random compliments. Now leave them in unexpected places like train and bus seats or a colleague's desk to share some love. Aww. British Rose Shower Gel. Don't know if I'm gonna like that or not, but willing to try it. It's a mini though. I think it's a mini size. So it's probably our first mini. I think the other two were full size products, and that's our first mini product, or travel size, whatever. It doesn't actually say in the breakdown how much travel size products and how much like full size products you're getting. So it's a mystery. But let's go on to number 4. I am loving the intention and the thought put into how it's packaged though. Like, this is a nice advent calendar in general. So number 4 says, know somebody who selflessly cares for others, offer to make their dinner for a week. It's a lot of effort, but maybe make them dinner once. Yeah, maybe. Ooh, mask. Okay. Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. Hydrating. Okay. Cool. I'll be down for that. Now, obviously, because it's the Body Shop, this is going to be a lot of skincare, and I realized that when I bought it. So, I mean, part of this is, I think that I'm going to make this an advent calendar for me and my partner, so I'm going to ruin the surprise for myself, but I'm going to, like, put this out as our advent calendar for the year. So that's why I'm being careful with all the boxes, because I really like the packaging on this, and it's a really nice design, and I think that he and I will both like a lot of these products, because, well, their scents, they're still fairly gender neutral, so... Anyways, moving on. Number 5. Message 5 people in your phone book and tell them why they're so awesome. Chamomile cleansing butter. Ooh, suitable for sensitive skin. Interesting, and I like the packaging. Like, this might be great for travel. This might be great as like a face wash for travel. Neat. Number 6. Bake with your besties and share your tasty treats at your local care home or food bank. That's a good point. I do a lot of baking. I should probably just bake for a retirement home at some point. Interesting thought. Oh, multi-cleansing cloth. Muslin. Okay, don't actually know what kind of fabric that is, but okay, it's a cleansing cloth. Reusable cleansing cloth. All right, not bad. Not bad. So far, I haven't really hit a thing that I've been like, oh, that shouldn't be in an advent calendar yet. And I love the intention in this advent calendar so far. So far so good, honestly. Number 7. Collect litter at your local park or wild place. Feel good, enjoy that air. In the middle of December, probably not gonna happen, but good thoughts, good intention. I mean, when there was a ridiculous windstorm here, so many trees came down, and my partner had gone around to our neighbors who had like tree covering her car, and he helped out with some other neighbors, like clear the stuff off her car, and helped out with people down the street with the same thing. Like so many trees went down. So in our own way, already done. So this is a coconut hand cream. This would be better for my partner because he loves the coconut smell. You know, another hand cream. This is kind of our first repeat so far, so hopefully we don't get too many repeats, but we'll see. I mean, like, I know it's a different scent, but it's the same kind of item. Number 8. This box is huge. Like, big chunky box. So I think overall this is a 24-day advent calendar. If I said 25, I was wrong. Okay, number 8, it says, send a surprise Christmas card to a neighbor. Make everybody feel together. Oh, make everybody feel together. Okay, I get it now. The parsing was weird. Oh, this is a false, I was complaining before about the small shower gel. Oh, this is a shampoo. Ooh. Body Shop shampoo Shea for dry to very dry hair. Ooh. Nice. I'm excited for that. Why do I have to put it back? I don't want to put it back. I'm very excited for that. All right, number 9. These are a little hard to get out though. I'm leaving everything in it. Number 9 is sign up today to volunteer at your local care home, food bank, women's refuge, or homeless shelter. Okay, another mini size, but not bad. It's in pink grapefruit shower gel. I'm not going to be as big a fan of that scent, but maybe I'll keep the rose one and my partner will do the grapefruit one because he tends to like citrusy things. So that's day number 9. Okay, so except for the shower gels, I think everything's been full size. So those are the only 2 travel sizes. So 2 travel sizes and 7 full sizes so far. Not terrible. On to day number 10. Give a gift to somebody who is too busy caring for others, even if it's a hug or a cuppa. Yeah, that's fair. That's easy enough to do with my job. What is this? Oh, it's scrunchies. Okay, I won't have any use for these, but I think they're scrunchies. No? Oh, it's a loofah. Oops. We replaced our plastic bath lilies with Rami, a natural plant-based fiber. Okay, so it's a loofah. Well, that goes well with the shower gels. Now you have a loofah for your shower gel. I do like that it's not plastic. Day number 11. Hold doors open, offer your seat on the bus or train, help the elderly cross the street, be super kind all day and every day. Coconut bath bubble. I guess it's like a bath bomb. It was very fragrant. Very powerful coconut smell. Wow. I'm not so sure I'm going to use that because whew, that is a strong, powerful smell. Putting that back. Wow. Day number 12. Kind of stabbed it, but anyways. Invite somebody selfless over to pamper, revive, and unwind. Share the joy together. That's easy too. Alright, this is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. I'm not as big a fan of like the masks that you put on. I don't have any charcoal masks, so maybe I'll try that. It's also a really small like amount, so I don't think it'll be too wasteful if I try it and I don't like it. So that's day number 12. I also don't know if that's full size or mini size because that's like, it feels like the pot is the same as like one sheet mask would be. So I don't know. Day number 13. Post a note through the door of somebody who cares selflessly to say thank you. Shower cream in Shea. What is shower cream? Do you like still rinse it off? I actually have to look up what a shower cream is. Again, travel size. I don't know what a shower cream is. All right, moving on. 14. Loved ones spending Christmas alone? Why not video call them to spread some festive love? I'm going to have to do that because I'm working on Christmas itself. So I'm going to have to video call my family instead of actually go there, unfortunately. Oh, wow. This is very strong smelling, but it actually smells quite good. Strawberry soap with strawberry juice. Again, I feel like this is just going to pack like our travel case for our trip. It smells so good. Oh, man. 15. It's a very light box. Okay. Help out somebody selfless by babysitting their kids, walking their pug, watering their plants, or just being there for them. Oh, it's another sheet mask. I got really excited because it was huge. That's just another sheet mask. Aloe Calming Sheet Mask for sensitive skin. Day number 16. Local business or charity you love, leave a review and show your appreciation and love. Ooh, microfiber towel? Yeah. It's like, oh no, this is a hair towel thing. Like keep your hair out of your face or your makeup while you do it. Yeah, I don't actually own any of these, so this is a good idea. This is a product I need and I don't have. I mean, I need it less because like my hair doesn't really get in my face anymore, but it's nice to not get it wet when I do my face wash. All right, number 17. Know any neighbors spending Christmas alone? Get your street together and sing them some carols. I actually don't know of any neighbors that are spending Christmas alone. Like, my partner might be the actual person spending Christmas alone because I'm going to be working. Healthcare. All right, this is a fresh plumping mask in British Rose. I don't know how I feel about that. Not sure, honestly. 18. Has a teacher, colleague, or friend inspired you? Let them know how much they make a difference and how much you appreciate them. Aw, I agree. We should let them know, the people who make a difference in our lives. We should let them know more often. Oof, woof. Okay, pink baked grapefruit bubble bath bomb thing. Holy, oh God. That is powerful. That is potent. We're going to stick that back in and put that away because wow, that is so strong. Okay, next, 19. Too many toasty clothes in your wardrobe. Why not give them to a homeless person or your local shelter? I actually think that's a good idea because like a lot of us have sweaters and stuff that we don't do. We normally declutter at the end of a season, but I actually think we should like at least go through and declutter a little bit at the beginning because there's stuff that you know that you won't wear. And it's better to give those to a homeless shelter early in the season because then they can actually use them for that season. That's just my 2 cents. I mean, some people they won't know, and that's totally fine. And you can do a declutter twice, but like that's just what makes sense to me. All right, this is the Body Butter Shea for very dry skin. Ooh, definitely necessary. I am so dry in the winter. So dry. Okay, that's quite nice actually. 20. Indoor plants help improve air quality, creativity, and well-being. Send one to your selfless bestie for some natural THC. TLC. Wow. Well, I agree that plants are great. I don't want to give that responsibility to someone, so I think that one's a bit misguided in terms of its advice. Oh, British Rose hand cream. Why am I not surprised? Okay, so that's like 3 hand creams. Getting a little repetitive. I'm okay with doubles, but like triples? I know they're different scents, but like you have more products in this body shop. So it's a little disappointing for day 20, to be honest. All right, day number 21. What book changed your life? Change someone else's by leaving a copy at your nearest book swap stand. If I had a book swap stand near me, I would. But I don't. And I don't even know what book changed my life. To be honest, like I read a lot of books and I love a lot of books. So I don't think I have one that changed my life. Anyways, this is the Body Shop Shower Gel in Mango. This is a scent I could get behind as well. But again, this is our 3rd body gel. Shower gel. So, again, a little disappointing because it's the 3rd one. I love the scent. I prefer that to the rose one. But a little disappointing because it's the 3rd shower gel. And again, travel size. Calendar started off strong, but it's getting a little near the end. Oh, it does have 25 days. I'm just blind. It is 25, not 12. Not 24. 22. That's what I'm looking for. British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. Okay, at least it's different. It's a body scrub. That's the first body scrub we've had. I mean, it's not my favorite scent out of the bunch, but not bad. Can't complain about that. Okay. Exfoliating scrub. I have no idea if that's a full size or not. It feels pretty hefty. So maybe it's a full size, but I don't know for sure. All right, 23. This is a big box. All right, what does this one say? What's your favorite Christmas movie? Invite a friend over to share that festive magic. I might do that more digitally, but yes. All right. Ooh. Oh, facial wash. So this is a vitamin E gentle facial wash with raspberry seed oil. All skin types. Interesting. That is definitely a full-size product. Like, that is big. I'm excited to try that out too. 24. Almost at 25. Almost at Christmas. Let's hope Christmas is not disappointing. Spending a little too long on your mobile. Why not go offline for the day and spend that time helping your most selfless friends and family? That hurts a little bit considering the 24th is when I'm on call. Anyways, oh, it's another sheet mask. All right. A vitamin C sheet mask. After 15 minutes, grumpy skin feels hydrated, awakened, and healthy. Well, that's pretty topical for what I might use for Christmas Day, considering I'll be up all night on the 24th. 25. The final day. Leftover food after Christmas Day, divide it into tasty meals and share with the homeless. Which we might actually do, it just might not be on Christmas. It'll be after that. All right. Oh, this thing's huge. Avocado body butter. Ooh, I'm excited for that too. That sounds good. How does it smell though? It smells pretty clean. I like that. Okay, so body butter, full sized for the last day. This thing's huge. All right. So that is everything in the Body Shop Advent Calendar. Now, I quite like the design of the thing, and I like the sayings. I know they're a little cheesy, but I like the idea of bringing intention to the holidays and just bringing that selfless mindset that I associate personally with the holidays to the holidays. So bringing like that, hey, go help your neighbors, go tell somebody that you are thankful for them, that kind of stuff. That's to me what the holidays should be about. And I like that that's kind of the vein that they went on with this. I mean, product wise as well, good array of products. Like they could have been a bit more diverse. There's a few like triples, which I can understand doubles, but triples, that's pushing it a little. For me, it should be like 2 at most for the thing, but there weren't that many of those triples, and they were all different scents. So it's not like a true triple, like 3 of the exact same thing, but like 3 of the same kind of thing. So I felt like it could have been a bit more varied. But in terms of actual value, like I actually have no idea how to judge that because I don't know what the stuff costs normally, but I have a lot of things in there that I would actually use. So for me, the value is there, and I really like the theme of the calendar. Now, personally myself, I am not religious, so I say Christmas, but that's just kind of the thing I grew up around. Not necessarily that I practice Christianity or anything like that. So for me, it's a holiday, but it's a celebration. It's kind of evolved past the religion in my mind to more of like a celebration of friends and family and giving and being a good person. That's what it means to me. So this was quite an advent calendar in line with my idea of what that should be. So I think that's why I liked it, because it resonated with me very hard. So overall, I enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was, whether or not you thought it was worth it. Like, am I being too nice to it? And I will see you next time, beautiful people. Bye.